Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, we're going to discuss on how to fix the maintenance underway in EAFC Beta Mobile if it is possible. So as you can see when I open the application, it says that maintenance is underway. Servers are currently under maintenance. Please check to back in a few minutes. So the question is, can we be able to fix this problem? Of course, no, because maintaining the game server is not possible to fix, but it will automatically fix whenever the system finish maintaining the server of the game again. Now the question is, how long do we have to wait until the maintenance is finished? So there are announcements on different platforms, so you can join the different groups where you can get the right information about the maintenance of the game server. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.